If you're looking to create multiple variations of the same copy instantly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly and efficiently so you can save time while maintaining high-quality content. We all know how important it is to have the same message in different formats. Whether you're trying to create ads, social media posts, or email campaigns, creating variations is key to reaching a broader audience. But how do you do that without spending hours rewriting or tweaking the same copy over and over? Well, that's where the right tools come in. I've tried several of the most popular software options for creating copy variations, and in this video, I'll walk you through the one that's the most effective and time-saving. And stick around to the end, because I'll give you an exclusive offer on this software, only available to viewers of my channel. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is use a tool that allows you to generate variations automatically. Instead of manually brainstorming different angles or tones, you can simply input your original copy, and the software will create multiple variations in a matter of seconds. This is a huge time saver for anyone who needs quick, effective results. Once you've added your original copy into the software, you'll want to specify what kind of variations you need. Do you want different tones, a more formal or casual approach, or maybe different headlines or calls to action? This is where you set the direction for the variations you want to generate. Next, you'll hit generate. Within moments, the software will provide you with several different versions of your copy. These could be shorter, longer, or phrased in a way that resonates with different audiences. You're not just getting a few options, you're getting multiple variations, all tailored to fit your needs. One of the best things about this software is that it lets you tweak these variations further based on the results you get. Let's say you want more urgency or a stronger call to action. You can guide the software to make those adjustments in the next set of variations. This kind of flexibility is a game changer. Now you might be wondering, is this really going to work for me? The answer is yes. With the right software, you can instantly create the variations you need without having to do everything manually. This means you'll be able to scale your campaigns faster and focus on the strategy behind your content, not the tedious writing process. Before we finish up, here's the key takeaway. Using the right software to create multiple variations of the same copy instantly will save you a lot of time and effort, and ultimately improve the quality of your campaigns. Focus on inputting high-quality original copy. Set the software to generate variations based on your preferences and let it do the heavy lifting. To recap, first, find the right software to automate the process. Then input your original copy, specify the variations you want, and generate. After that, tweak the variations as needed. Finally, remember, this software can streamline your content creation process, allowing you to focus on scaling your efforts. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial for this software in the description below. It's only available for my channel viewers, so make sure to take advantage of it while you can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.